Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit dollars in RedotPay with Binance. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply launch your RedotPay application. Now over here on the home page of RedotPay, you will be shown this type of deposit option. So you need to tap on deposit. Then among the given options over here, you need to simply select USDT or USDT. Then after selecting the USDT or USDC option, simply select the option of on-chain withdrawal. Now over here you need to select the network of BNB Smart Chain or BEP20. So after selecting it, you are going to see the QR code and the deposit address. So you need to copy this address from here, then simply launch your Binance application. Over here, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner. Then you just have to tap on the option of Send. Over here, simply select your currency, which is USDT. So after selecting USDT over here, you just have to simply select the option of Withdraw Assets, and then you just have to simply provide the address. So after providing the address over here, simply press Next. On the next page, you just have to select the correct network and enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Afterwards, you just have to do nothing but to just simply review your details and conclude the payment. As soon as your payment is concluded from Binance, you are going to just receive the money inside your RedotPay account. It can take like 5 to 10 minutes. You are going to receive it. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.